Well, hello. It hit me. It got me hard. It knocked me on my butt. If you're an Uber driver, I'm going to give you some information you need to pay attention to, because when I'm fixing to tell you what happened to me, it's still around. It's still killing people. I thought I was going to die. That's for darn sure. So here's what's happened. Daddy-O got sick. I mean, sick. I caught that deadly thing we had running around here a couple years ago that everyone has believed is gone. Without saying the word, I'm going to try not to say the word in this video because YouTube will classify this video a different way. But yeah, the virus that we all had a couple years ago, I caught it once. It got me again. When I told my son what was wrong with me and what had happened, what I'd caught, he said, "That's gone. You ain't got to worry about that no more." I'm fixing to read some numbers to you. It's not gone. If you're an Uber driver and you're handling cash, where people are handing you cash, be careful. I get cash a lot. I've explained that in videos before. That virus is not gone nowhere. I'm going to read these numbers to you here, okay? Off-peak months, spring and late spring, 1 million to 2 million people a month are still catching that virus. Active summer surge, which is probably what got me, 3 million to 6 million a month. As you can probably hear, my voice is different. I mean, I went through it. This stuff is not gone nowhere, and you can get it. I've had the vaccinations. I had the first one. I had the booster. I've had that, and I caught it after I got all that done, and it wasn't so bad. I was able to, a week or so, you were kind of, yeah. This one here was harder. This one here was, I've been through it, been really through it. So this video is only, I haven't done a video in, God, I don't even know how many days, 11 days. 11 days, let's see here. I did a video, almost 12 days ago. It's the last time I did a video. That's how hard it's kicked Daddy-O's butt. All right. So if you're handling cash, if you're doing cash runs for Uber, where you're accepting cash from people and everything, just put it aside. Put it aside, okay? You don't want to get this stuff again. If you've never had it, it's not fun. All right. I still have no taste for anything. I've been able, in these days, I've ate twice. I've been able to eat twice. All right. Even my water, and I carry one of these all day long. I love this stuff. Absolutely. It tastes like crud to me now. I mean, I have no taste still. So I don't know when that's going to go away. I'm feeling better. And that's why I'm doing this video. Be careful. This stuff has not gone away, guys. So this is just for Uber drivers because we handle cash. We handle in some cases, we handle a lot of cash on a daily basis. I usually take the cash from the people, throw it up here, and I just let it sit there until the end of the night, and then I bring it all up. I'm going to have to do something different because I don't want to go through this crap again. I don't know. Maybe I've built up enough immunity now that it won't affect me for a few weeks or a few months, or I don't know how long my immunity might be built back up because I've gotten another dose of this crap. All right. But be careful. If you're handling cash, I don't know. I'm just having to do this video this morning because it's hit me hard, and I realized that it's basically because of the cash I accept. I can't, maybe I went into a store and grabbed a door handle. Maybe that could have been somewhere, could have been out charging my vehicle. I could have grabbed the handle to hook up the charger, and someone before me could have had it driving down the interstate. I don't know. I'm just letting you, this is a warning to drivers. This stuff is still going around. So still watch out for yourselves, all right? Because this here has hurt my pocketbook. Being out of work for as long as I've been, I'm used to making a certain amount every day. I work until I make that amount, all right? I haven't been able to make my money. All right. So this has hurt Daddy-O big time just by having to be. I've been out every day. I've worn a mask. Once I realized what it was, I started wearing a mask again. I'm past the part where I could be contaminate anyone else. So I've tried to be careful around people, knowing what was going on with me. But the bottom line is, and like my son, he said, that stuff's gone. You ain't got to worry about it. No. When you go and look it up. Now, I tried to look up a while ago. I asked the question. I don't even remember where it was at, on Google or something. I asked the question, just a regular generic, how many people a month are still catching the virus in America? It took me straight to the CDC website. Well, when you go to the CDC website, because we have some idiots controlling the CDC website, they don't put out numbers. It was all a mumble jumble of words, trying to talk about how much better it is, blah blah. Propaganda. All right. When I went to Gemini and asked the same question, it started giving me the numbers on how many a month, how many a week, across the country. So this stuff is not going nowhere. And when you start talking about what I just had it up there a minute ago, I went to a different screen. When you start talking about in the active summer surge, that's what we would be going through right now. That's 3 million to 6 million infections per month. All right. So odds are it's better. Odds are you'll catch that better than hitting lotto. So if you're out playing lotto, you got a better chance of catching the virus again than hitting lotto and winning yourself $1 billion. All right, or $1 million, whatever. All right, odds are more in favor that you're gonna catch this crap again, and it's not fun. If you've ever had it, you know what I'm talking about. Comment, leave me a comment down below if you've had this while you've been Ubered. How long were you out of work the first time, or how long did it keep you out of work for? It kicked my butt. I mean, I was in total. Yeah, you don't want to go through this stuff if you don't have to. All right, and hopefully you've had, your inoculations, your vaccinations, and all that kind of stuff. Because I think that's what really protected me the first time. It was definitely that. Because I was able to get through it pretty easy. This time it's been like a real slap in that face, and you don't want to catch this stuff. And that's what this video is supposed to be about. That's all I want to talk about, because I have not been able to do a video, and I figured someone might be saying, where's Daddy-O gone for 11 days, 12 days now? This is what's happened to me. I caught the big C word, and it's kicked my butt, and it's out here again. Or still out here. It's never left. All right, it's never left. In different parts of the country, there's more. There's more of it than there is in other parts. Being that I'm in Florida, we get so many tourists here. It's just, I guess the number of people I handle, because I do so much conference stuff, I'm handling people from all over the country all the time. So it really, this one here was an eye opener. Don't think it's over with. It's not. Still out here. It's going to get you. All right, I'm going to let you go. Daddy-O's out for the day. This is the one video I'm doing today. I'm not going to come back. I'm not doing another one. I'm out here Uber today. I got to make some money today. I got things that are coming due this week, and I'm not going to make some of it. So anyway, I'm going to let you go. Daddy-O out for the day. You guys have a good afternoon, good evening. Bye.